If you would like your very own Igbo name, or if you have a concept for a name that you would want to give your next child, let me know. My Instagram is linked in the description below. If there are certain things that you would like to speak into your new child's life, or things that you would like to manifest or speak into your own life, let me know about it. Either in the comment section, or if you want to send me a private message on Instagram, you can do that too. And I can give you an Igbo name based off of the traits that you tell me about. So it might be better for a conversation if there's certain things that you kind of want to not have everyone see, but just let me know the traits and the personality characteristics and things that you would want to come across in a name, right? And whenever someone speaks that name, whether it's your name or the name of your child, they're going to be invoking the power of that